sponsored by Honey. Listen, nobody wants to feel like they're wasting money while shopping online, but did you know there's an easy way to always get the lowest price? It's called Honey. Honey is a free browser extension that automatically finds the best promo codes whenever you shop online. That means you always get the best deals on over 20,000 sites without even trying, such as eBay, ASOS, Walmart, and more. How To Basic uses Honey whenever he shops online, and he saves hundreds of dollars a year. There is literally no reason not to use Honey for everything you buy online. It's easy to install and free. Just put it on your computer in just 2 clicks. Get Honey for free at joinhoney.com/HTB. Once again, that's joinhoney.com/HTB.